It was raining Saturday when Atlanta police officer Joshua Seek collided with his BMW at the intersection of Cascade Road and Fairburn.
He was running emergency equipment and he had been dispatched to an emergency call.
Fulton County Police charged Officer Seek with second-degree vehicular homicide after the driver of the BMW, 59-year-old Jacqueline Culp, died.
We went with second-degree homicide, vehicular homicide, due to the fact that there was no malice forethought, no intent. It's just another very unfortunate accident that will affect several families.
Detective Melissa Parker says they charged Officer Seek with the misdemeanor because he did not use due regard and caution when he entered the intersection. Investigators believe if he would have slowed down when he entered that intersection, the outcome would have been different. Atlanta police issued this statement. The Atlanta Police Department has been notified of the charges filed against Officer Joshua Seek. Officer Seek has been placed on paid administrative leave pending further determination by the Chief of Police regarding his status. APD sends its thoughts and prayers to the family and friends of Miss Jacqueline Culp. Again, that charge against Officer Seek is a misdemeanor. He is due in court in September. We're live in Fulton County. Tony McNary, CBS Atlanta News.